the difference between the cooling capacity and power of the chiller. In fact, the nominal cooling capacity of the chiller refers to the cooling capacity when the ambient temperature is 35 degrees and the cooling water outlet temperature is 7 degrees. The cooling capacity refers to the heat taken from the room under specific working conditions, and the power refers to the heat taking away the work that needs to be done per unit time and the electric energy consumed. There are two powers in the parameters of the chiller, one for cooling power and one for compressor power. Refrigeration power is the expression of cooling capacity, and compressor power is the power consumption. In actual operation, due to the difference between the ambient temperature and the outlet temperature of the cooling water, the cooling capacity of the chiller and the power consumption of the compressor also change. No matter what kind of chiller it is, its cooling capacity will increase with the increase of chilled water outlet temperature and decrease with the increase of ambient air inlet temperature. The power consumption of the chiller increases with the increase of the outlet temperature of the cooling water, and increases with the increase of the ambient temperature. This is because when the chilled water temperature of the chiller increases, the evaporation pressure increases, the ambient temperature remains unchanged, and the compression ratio decreases. The power consumption is reduced, but at this time, the cooling capacity of the chiller needs more power, so the power consumption of the compressor is still increased.